Once again, good morning to everyone. Myself, Pratima. So, I'm your faculty for the fundamentals of cybersecurity. Okay. So, before we learn, today is our first session, first class, right? So, we'll just have we'll just know about what are the contents which are available in our syllabus. Okay. Then we'll discuss some small introduction. Okay, we'll not go into deeply. Okay, we'll just have some small introduction, and then we'll try to understand some basic things. Okay. uh, and From the next session I'll completely start your syllabus. Okay, today is just introductory class. Okay. So first of all, what is the course objective we'll be seeing? So after completion of this course, you people will have you people will learn about what is meant by cyber security and what is the use of cyber security, why we need the cyber security, and what are type of attacks we will be facing. I mean, what type of attacks we are having. I mean, what are the ways, how we'll be getting attacked, and how to identify those attacks, and what type of security mechanisms we have, and what are the measures we can take. Okay. And what are the cyber laws we are having according to our Indian Act. Okay. So all this introduction part, you people will have idea after studying this complete course. Okay. This is the main course objective. Okay. And let's enter to the syllabus. So in the first unit, we will learn about what is meant by cyber security. We'll have a small introduction to the cyber security, some of the basic concepts like what is meant by cyber security, why we need the cyber security, what is the importance of the cyber security. Okay, what is the history of the cyber security. All these basic concepts we will be learning, and at the same time, what is the motive of the attackers, and what type of attacks we are having, what is meant by the cyber crime, what how it affects our information security, and who are called as cyber criminals, whom we call them who which person is considered as a criminal. Okay, cyber criminal. And how this what are the different types of cyber crimes we are having. Okay. So different types of cyber crimes, and what is the source for this cyber crimes, and what is the effect we are having, and how to how we will be identifying these cyber crimes. All the small introduction part we will be learning in the unit 1. Okay. So we'll be learning completely about only you people will with the help of this course, you people will learn all the basics regarding the cyber security, which are required for a general person. Okay, for all the for the general person to protect themselves from attacks. Okay, some basic idea you people will be knowing. Okay, in the first, this is the first unit content we will be learning about only introduction part, whereas in the second unit we will be learning about the uh, what type of cyber crimes that are I mean that our mobile phones or the wireless devices will be attacked. Okay. So nowadays the almost even the school children are also using the mobile. Okay. So so this has become the source for the hackers for hacking our devices. So what type of hacking crimes they can perform on the mobiles, and what are the challenges we will be facing uh, by about the security by the mobile devices, and uh, what are the attacks will be happen on our cell phones, and what are the tools we are having to identify these uh, attacks, and how to secure our mobile phones. Okay. What are the measures we can take, what are the methods we can use, so that we can find out what is the what is the cyber attack as that is on our phone, and how to protect our phone. So all this we can learn in the second unit. Completely about the mobile phones, attacks on the mobile phones and wireless devices will be seen here in the second unit. Okay. Okay. So you people are able to understand what I'm saying, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. This is a complete second unit, whereas next comes to the third unit. In this third unit, we will be having a small introduction to the what is meant by cyber law. Okay, what are the legal perspectives we are having in the cyber law, and how it is applicable. I mean how the cyber law is applicable for the cyber crimes, and why we need this particular cyber laws, and what is the content of the cyber law according to our Indian act. All these contents we will learn in the first part of the unit 3. Okay, completely about the cyber laws we will be learning, and in the second part of the unit 3 we will learn about cyber forensics. Okay, what is meant by cyber forensics, what is the history of that, and why we need this computer forensics, and what is the challenges these computer forensics will be facing. Okay, so all the introduction to this you will be learning in the part 2. Okay, so in the in this third unit, two parts it is divided. In the first part, completely about the cyber law we will be learning, and in the second part, completely about the cyber forensics we will be learning. Okay, next comes to the unit 4. Here, for the organizations, how the cyber security is implemented. Okay, how we will be implementing, and if an attack has occurred on the organization, okay, what type of threats that organization will get, and how the organization should protect themselves, how the security and privacy should be provided for the organization from outsiders or from the social marketings. So what are the challenges the organization will be facing. Okay, how the cyber security should be provided for the organization. All these things, while implementing this cyber security for the organization, how, what is the cost for that, and even if an crime has occurred for the organization, what is the cost the organization will be paying. So all these contents we will be learning in this unit 4, and along with that we will also know that what is the mindset, what is meant by cyber terrorism, what is a cyber crime, what is a cyber terrorism, and some introduction part, and then how we will be trying to try to learn what is the means for cyber crimes, and before getting attack only, we can try to learn the mindset of what is the mindset of that hackers, and what are the kills the hacker is possessing, and about the other cyber criminals and their psychology. All these contents we will be learning here in the unit 4. Okay, so next in the unit 5, the unit 5 will have examples for the cybercrime, real time examples. Okay, so you can see here the official website of Maharashtra government has been hacked, and all the complete case details regarding this real time examples, what have happened. Okay, so all those things we will be learning here. Okay, so some of the cyber cases. Okay, real time cases, what complete detailed about those cases, and how the law has applied for them, and all the details you people will be learning in the unit 5, completely basic examples. Okay, real time examples we will see. So this is a complete syllabus. Okay, in the unit 1, introduction to the cyber security, and attacks, what are the attacks we are having, types of attacks, and the types of cyber crimes. All these things we will be learning in the unit 2, about the cyber crime, which is what type of cyber crimes on our mobile phones or wireless devices will be taken place, and what are the tools we require will be seeing. Okay, in the third unit, about the cyber law and cyber forensics we will be learning, and in the unit 4, about the cyber application of implication of the cyber security to the organization we will be seeing. Okay, and we'll be trying to learn about the cyber terrorism also, and in the fifth unit, completely we'll be learning the real time examples. Okay, so we'll have small introduction to the. Okay, before that, let me tell you textbooks. So these are the two textbooks. One is cyber security, understanding cyber crimes, understanding cyber crimes, computer forensics, and legal perspectives. Okay, this is one textbook, and another one is the computer and cyber security principles, algorithm applications and perspectives. So these are the two textbooks where you people can find the syllabus content in them. Okay, you can use any of the textbook, or you can take from the library, or else it depends on, I mean, in the library you we can find the textbook and you people can take and you can study them. Okay, so these are the two textbooks we will be using. So today only basic introduction we'll see, ma. Okay, so as we all know that the use of the internet has been increased, right? Now everyone is dependent on the internet, everyone is using the internet, even the school children are using the internet for listening their classes, right? So now as it even I mean, we are using the internet for advertising purposes. More, some people are using for advertisement purpose, or some people are using for their selling the products, or some people are using for purchasing the products. And even we are using this internet for to uh, I mean uh, to communicate with the, if for example, if you are selling some products, right, or else if you are trying to purchase some products, then you people will try to communicate with the other person through the internet itself, right? So all the customers, I mean, who are purchasing, we call them as a customers. Who are selling, we call them as a retailers. So all these persons, all the people are dependent on the internet. They are using the internet and they are trying to communicate with each other. And even we are performing the financial transactions through the internet itself, right? Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, so to avoid the physical exchange of money, so we have started using the digital platform for, I mean, digitally we are I mean, doing our transactions, right? If nowadays everyone are using the Google Pay, Phone Pay, Paytm. Okay, so all the transactions, we are financial transactions also we are doing using the internet only. So due to the increase of using of this I mean, increase of using the internet and doing all the transactions, so the hackers and the cyber criminals have chosen this internet as a tool for to carry out their cyber attacks. Okay, to perform their cyber attacks, they have chosen the internet as a tool. So here the cyber security is I mean, the aim of the cyber security is to protect our computers, or else to protect our networks, and even to protect our software programs from those cyber attackers. Okay, and most of the digital attacks are I mean, they are trying to. I mean, that attackers, what they are trying to do is they are trying to aim on the accessing our data, or else they are trying to alter our data, or else they are trying to. I mean, they will change our data or delete our data, or else they will try to take our sensitive informations, or else they will. Try to I mean, they will perform the transaction, they will take the money, or else they will be blackmailing you people by having your sensitive information, and they will extort for the money. Okay, or else they will interrupt our, if attack is occurred on businesses. Okay, so they will be interrupt our normal business operations also. And before that, let us know from where the, I mean, actually the cyber security, the word cyber is evolved from, I mean, it has taken from the cybernetics. Okay, from the word cybernetics, they have short formed and taken the word cyber. Okay, cyber is nothing but, I mean, cyber is a word that is it is a prefix word or else adjective word, which means that is related to the characteristics of information technology, or else it is relating to the computers, or else it is related to the virtual reality. Okay, uh, so from actually this cybernetics is a science of communications and automatic control devices and machines. Okay, from this word they have chosen the word cyber in I mean, this word is originated from the cybernetics in the early 1980s. Okay, so this cyber security is nothing but protecting ourselves, I mean, protecting something. Okay, so when we combine this cyber and cyber security, Okay, that will refer to anything that protects related to our computers or information technology or virtual reality. Okay, so actually this cyber security will be referring to the technology. Okay, it is referring to the technologies, or else for the process, or else the practice of designing to protect our networks, or else to protect our devices, and to protect our apps, or to protect our data from the cyber attacks. Okay, so this cyber security, we can call it also, we can also call it as information technology security also, we can call it. Okay, so this is mainly used, this cyber security is mainly all about protecting our devices, or protecting our networks from unauthorized access, or else unauthorized persons to modify our information. Okay, so to make internet as to make the actually uh, as I told you at the starting, internet has become the medium for the attackers, I mean source for the attackers to perform the attack, right? So with the help of the cyber security, we will try to, I mean avoid the attackers use our internet. Okay, as a source for attacking. Okay, so when we discuss about, when uh, we are discussing about cyber security, right? So what when we are trying to talk about this cyber security, so we have to think is what, what we are trying to protect, and from against what we are protecting ourselves, we have to see. Okay, what what are we trying to protect ourselves from, against what we are trying to protect ourselves, we have to see. So we have to see the three main aspects. Okay, we have to see three main aspects uh, through which we can will be trying to control. Okay, so the three aspects are unauthorized access, unauthorized deletion, and unauthorized modification. These are the three things we have to protect ours, against these three we have to protect ourselves. Okay, uh, so unauthorized access and unauthorized deletion, unauthorized modification. So these are the synonyms for the commonly used CIA triad. Okay, CIA means uh, C stands for confidentiality, I stands for integrity, A stands for availability. Okay, so this is the this CIA triad is commonly referred as the uh, three pillars of the security system. Okay, most of the organizations will implement their security policies based on these three concepts only. Okay, these are the three basic principles, built-in principles, which are required for any of them to for their security principles. Okay, so here CIA stands for confidentiality, integrity, and availability. So here the these three are used for these three are used as a design model. Okay, we will be using them as a design model for the organizations or for the companies to write their, to form their security policies. Okay, so some people will call it as AIC. Actually having another even for the central intelligence agency, for that also they will call it as CIA only. Central intelligence agency also will call, they call it as a CIA. So to avoid the confusion between them, we can call it as AIC also. Okay, AIC also we can call it. Okay, for the three components. So these are the important and fundamental components of the security. uh, so So the security professionals, these professionals will try to evaluate the threats and vulnerabilities basing on the impact, so that they will be facing what is the impact they will have on the confidentiality and integrity and availability of the organization's assets. And I mean like what I mean they will I mean they will try to protect their data and applications and some critical systems. Okay, basing on this evaluation, the security team, each organization will have their security team. So they will be implementing the set of security controls so that they can reduce the risk on the environments. Okay, so first all the real time applications, I mean all the organizations or all the real time applications which we are trying to develop, or else which already we are having. So all those are built, by considering these three principles only, they have developed all their policies and all their all the security features, all of them. Okay, even all the applications or also all the organizations will follow these three principles only for forming their security policies. Okay, already present policies are also designed basing on these three principles only. Let's see about each and individual one. Okay, we will try to see each and individual one. First one is about the confidentiality. So here the confidentiality is referring to the uh, or how the organization is trying to keep their data, I mean private data, or else their data, I mean they're trying to keep their private data as private, or else how they're trying to keep their data secure, see, in a secret way. And it's about how we are controlling our access to the data so that unauthorized users cannot use them, cannot access them, sorry, cannot access. So we will be trying to control uh, i mean uh, to access the unauthorized from the unauthorized users. Okay, so that unauthorized users cannot see them. And it also involves that who are uh, authorized users, who are the authorized users, so that they can access to the, only some people will have the access to the content. Okay, for example, if we consider our organization itself. Okay, so in our organization, so as a faculty, I can access only the information regarding the students. Okay, or else I can access the files regarding to the subjects, or else files regarding to the student attendance or exam details. All this I can access, but I cannot access the about the um, I mean, about the details you people are, yeah, paying your fees details, uh, or else about the pay slips, or else about the salaries which is paid by the institution. All these access information I cannot access, right? So those are accessed by, I'm not the authorized user to access all the financial details of the organization. I'm a faculty, so I will have the access to access only about the student details. Even that too, presently I'm teaching for you people, for third year. You people are third year people, right? That to section 5, I'm only teaching for the section 5. Even I don't have the information regarding the section 4, section 3, section 2 also I don't have, right? Only the content I'm having is about only you people. About your attendance, all these things I can access, right? I cannot access all the information. Okay, so each one will have their limitations. Okay, only uh, each one will have the, for example, as a faculty I can only access the information of the particular section. Okay, I can keep the information regarding your section 5. But as a hod, HOD will have all the information regarding all the sections, right? He can access it. So like that, we are. I am also authorized person, but I have I mean, to access the particular assets only, not all the assets. Okay, I hope you people understand. Uh, or else, let me give you one more example. Uh, so we'll take another example like okay. Uh, okay, let's take the example of the software company itself. Okay, so in that software company, uh, so their each company will have different projects, right? They won't work on only single project, they will be working on a number of projects. Each team will have the separate projects, right? So like that, the uh, so if for example, if a team consists of 5 members, in that 5 members they can access about their project details, but they cannot access uh, other uh, others project details, right? So all are authorized persons only, so all belongs to the same organization itself, but each one will have their own uh, I mean I mean they I mean they can only access they will have the particular limit, or they can access only the information regarding their project. They cannot, even if they are authorized persons also, they cannot use the other people's information, other projects information. Okay, and this is about the confidentiality. Okay, so confidentiality is nothing but we have to try to protect our data from getting accessed from unauthorized users. Okay, we have to set our limits for the authorized users also, so that we can protect our information. Okay, so next one is about the integrity. So here, so integrity is nothing but for example, if you consider your about the bank customers. Okay, so we can i mean uh, by using our ATM, we people can draw the amount, right? We can check our balance, right? uh, and if you want to store okay okay, leave that, we'll okay, let's start again once again the integrity. So in everyday everyday life. Okay, so we should we should refer to the quality, right? We should check the quality of everything, and whatever we are using. Okay, so we have to for example, uh, if you want to check your details, for example, if you want to check your bank details, so your bank details or bank information should be kept secretly, right? Not other people should not know. So for example, if you are outside and you people want to check your bank details, so that so what you people will be doing, either you people will check your information in your phone, right? Or else you will be checking the information in the i mean uh, So for example, I'm the person, okay, I have came to the college, and I have to check my some bank information. Okay, so what I will be doing, so either I will try to check the information either in my phone, or else either in my laptop I will try to check the information, right? So uh, if for example my mobile has ran out of battery, and I don't have any laptop, so what I will do, so I will try to check my information in other people's I mean other if I try, I mean I'll try to check the information in other people's laptop, or else by using other people's mobile. But whom I should whose mobile I should use, or whose laptop I have to use, you have to check carefully, right? So if I randomly take anyone's mobile, and if I try to log in, and if I try to check, then he can take my information, right? So either if you want to store information, we have to store in our personal mail IDs, or else in our personal systems, or else in our uh, personal mobile phone, or else in our personal laptop, we have to save our information. Okay, so that other people cannot attack them, and other people cannot log in, and they cannot change it. And even if you I mean see, this is my laptop. Okay, just a minute. So uh, just a minute. So you can see here accounts. Okay, these are the accounts I'm having. So this is my account, that is uh, I mean I have kept my name as a Venkata Pratima, right? So if I will be keeping my information, everything in this particular, I mean, I have created all these documents and everything. I have done it by using this account. So, okay, I have created other three accounts so that other people can sign in my laptop by using these accounts, so that they cannot see my information, whatever I have created, so that they cannot see the information. Okay, so like that, you people have to be careful while using uh, while you people are trying to log in. Okay, so if for example, if I try to log in the college system, okay, so if I try to log in the college system, so there I have to log in, and I have to use only normal information. I should not open my personal information, because so many people will be using the computer, I mean college systems, right? So we should not save our information, or we should not download our information there. Okay, you have to protect your information. Okay, so next is the availability. Okay, so you people have to uh, uh, I mean so whatever the systems, whatever the applications, and whatever the data, so all these eh, uh, I mean all this belongs to either for the organization, or for the, any type of company, or else any type of little organizations. Okay, so each and organization will have their customers, right? And so here so the customers will have the organizations will give the uh, I mean for their customers, uh, uh, only for some people they will give the authorizations. I mean actually, uh, for example, if I am trying to log in into the, I mean okay, we have Amazon app, right? So in that Amazon app, whoever want to search, they can search it, right? But if you want to contact that person, you people have to log in, and you people, I mean you people have to register, and you people have to log in, then only you can contact that particular person. Unless you cannot contact that, unless you get the authorization, you cannot contact them, right? So we have to I mean, we have to ensure that the authorized user. Nowadays, okay, if I want to purchase, if I'm trying to purchase something, okay, okay, let it be as if I'm trying to order something in the Zomato itself. Okay, while ordering the Zomato itself, so first I have to log in by using the mobile number, or else by using the email. Okay, we'll be login through the mobile number. So first, before login itself, they will ask the one time password whether we are giving the correct phone number or not, right? So, and then only you will get the i mean you can get the authorization, right? After you enter the OTP only you will get the authorization, then only you can access and order it, right? So and uh, so we have to and even if for example, if you are trying, uh, you should protect your systems and your information, so that others cannot use them. Okay, others cannot try to attack our systems and try to take our information. Okay, so as everything has changed, uh, all of us are using the internet, right? So we have, while we even if you people are using the Google, and if you are trying to search information, you people should be careful while using the websites also. Okay, you should not click on the wrong websites. Even if you open your mails, you people will find that you will find that you have won the lottery. Like that, mails also, spam mails also you will be getting, right? So or else, uh, right, nowadays WhatsApp messages you people might see, right? So click on the link, and you people uh, will be able to win the iPhone or else win the laptops. So like that, click on the link, and uh, by performing, I mean by sharing the information, you people can win something. They will be sending the messages, right? So before clicking on that websites, be careful. Okay, so if you click on that, you will be getting information, personal informations from your mobile phones. Okay, so you have to let me tell you one live example. My cousin, uh, she's still studying degree. Okay, she's doing fine arts degree, fine arts now, and she's still in the second year itself. So in the fine arts she has chosen sculpture. Okay, so for them they will be teaching how to paint, I mean how to do the painting works, all they will be showing. So she has learnt glass paintings. So she started her Instagram account. So she has opened a page. Okay, Instagram page she has opened, and she started selling her painting works. Okay, so what the attacker has done, so he has opened her they have attacked her password. And what they did, they have in the conversations, the attacker has sent the message as my cousin to all the members that I'm in a need of money, I require money, please can you send me the money. They did not ask for much money, they have asked for 500 or 1000, that's it. But they have sent to all the contacts in the Instagram page. uh, so when they have done this, they have done in the early morning. They have logged in the early morning. They have sent the messages, and they have deleted the uh, chat. Okay. When she woke up, and when she searched, there is nothing. She cannot find the messages. Actually, they have done that and they have deleted. So most of her friends. So in the Instagram page, we'll only add the people who are close to us, right? Who the people we know. Okay, if you ask your friends, they will share the money, right? So if you ask your college friends also, they'll think, okay, might be only for the 500, means okay, she might be in the need, or he might be in the some need. so they will send that. So while you use your social media accounts also, try to protect your accounts, okay, uh, with a strong passwords. Okay, be aware of all the things and try to protect your information. So don't share any of the informations to others, not even the close people also. Don't trust, not even not close people. Like what happened means, one of the sir, what he did, he thought that uh, he has given his credit card number and password to his cousin itself, to the cousin, but he's not that much close cousin. He lives somewhat far. He has trusted him and he has given his credit card and pin number also. What he did, he has taken the money from that card. So we should not trust even people who we know also, we should not trust them. Okay, so be careful while using and even if you are uh, for example, if you are outside, okay, so in the outside, even don't try to connect your mobile phones to the other networks which you doesn't know. So if you people are in the college, if you try to connect to the college network, it's okay. But if you go to any restaurant, or else if you go to any public places, there if you try to access through the any net, so the attacker can easily at can easily attack your cell phone through the network also. Okay, so when you are outside, try to use your mobile internet only. Okay, don't connect to others wi-fi's. Okay, so that's it for today.